So buying or selling a home in the UK at the moment is a bit like doing the Coventry Ring Road at rush hour. It's technically possible, but halfway through you are going to seriously question your life choices. And the government has finally agreed with us and launched a major consultation into how we buy and sell homes in the UK. And this is something that could reshape the process of buying and selling a house in the UK forever. So today I'm breaking down exactly what's been proposed, why it matters, and what it'll mean for your next house move. So let's just start with the obvious. The house buying process in the UK is antiquated, slow and clunky, and at best it's stressful. The average sale now takes between 20 and 24 weeks. That's half a year waiting, refreshing your emails, chasing solicitors, and wondering whether the whole chain's going to collapse like a wobbly Jenga tower. And currently fall-through rates are at 30 to 35%. That's a third of all deals falling through. And that's literally costing buyers thousands. So the government is stepping up, and this new consultation is their way of asking the industry exactly what they need to do to fix the system. So the first big topic to be tackled is upfront information. This is information that sellers should provide before a house even hits the market. And this is stuff that normally any buyer would have to go through their solicitor to get. So it's things like title information, boundary and flood data, leasehold documents, EPC ratings, and any other material information that could affect the sale, and possibly even the local searches as well. This is pretty similar to the way that Scotland already does it. And the goal is to stop people wasting time and money, doing things like searches only to find out there's a problem and the sale then falling through. And then of course the next person doing the same thing. So it's going to mean fewer nasty surprises. And it's got a benefit for sellers too. It means that the offers that they're getting are better qualified. They're more realistic. There's less negotiation after offer. And for brokers like me, it means we can look at affordability, we can look at lender requirements. And this is all going to reduce delays later. And the next thing on the table is binding offers, and this is going to have estate agents up and down the country sucking through their teeth. Now, the government's not talking about going the full Scottish on this. We're not getting missives just yet, but they are exploring proper reservation agreements. This is small financial commitments from both the buyer and the seller. It's a way of reducing gazumping and last-minute price drops, and it's better protection for people that are spending money on surveys, searches and solicitors. It's basically going to mean that once you make an offer and it's accepted, then both sides will be more committed. It's not going to be legally watertight, but it'll be a lot more structured than it is now. And we're also going to see a push towards modernisation. Finally, the arrival of the digital age. So the government's looking at things like digital property logbooks, faster digital local searches, standardised online ID checks, and better data sharing between things like agents, lenders, solicitors, etc. And you can laugh all you want, but seriously, the property industry is one of the few industries left out there that's still powered by paper and PDFs. And if your printer or scanner isn't working when you need it, heaven help you. So if this goes through, it's going to mean faster conveyancing, more accurate applications, fewer delays on mortgage offers, and better transparency for everybody involved. And as someone who's involved in the process from start to finish, anything that can cut down on the back and forth between conveyancers is going to be a massive win. So what is all this really going to mean? Well, if these reforms go ahead, then the process of buying a home is going to be a lot more streamlined. It's going to be faster. It's going to be more transparent, less stressful, and a lot more predictable. Sales are going to be a lot less likely to collapse halfway through. Sellers are going to get better qualified buyers. Buyers are going to stop wasting money on deals that are never going to complete. Chains could become shorter and sturdier. And brokers like myself can prepare both clients and cases more thoroughly. Now, don't get me wrong, nothing's going to change overnight. We're looking well into 2026 for any kind of real movement, but the direction of travel is positive. So if you're thinking of moving, or you want to remortgage and you want to know what all of this means for you, then hit the links in my bio and get in touch. I'm Patrick Weightman, your local East Midlands Mortgage and Protection Advisor, serving clients up and down the UK. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.